If you're experiencing a verification pending issue on Sudoswap, this guide will help you resolve it quickly. Follow these steps to get your verification status updated. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your Sudoswap account. Look for any verification emails that may have been sent and follow the instructions provided. Step 2. Present verification request. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser issues can cause verification problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your browser and log back into your Sudoswap account. Step 4. Use a different browser. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try accessing Sudoswap using a different web browser. This can help identify if the issue is browser specific. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Sudoswap's customer support. Provide them with your account details and a description of the issue for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on Sudoswap. If you continue to face difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.